Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to study about C++ classes or objects. So C++ is an object-oriented programming language, and everything in C++ is associated with class and object, along with its attribute and method. So in that case, you understood everything is related in C++ is based on the class and object because it is an object-oriented programming language. So in that case, first we have to provide the class, and inside that we will be able to understand what kind of methods and attributes and what kind of the objects we need to require. So for example, in real life, a car is an object. The car has an attribute such as a weight, color, method, and such as a drive or brake. So attributes and methods are basically variables and functions that belong to the class. So how to create a class? So on screen, you can see that I have given the example. Now I will try one more example so you will be able to understand it properly. So first we need to understand how to build a class, how to create a class. So in that case, first we have to mention is int main of, then I have mentioned the function here. And in that case, first I have to write the class. I will mention the class attribute, and after that I will mention what is the name of that class. For example, I can provide any kind of name that is available. So I will write my class of. So in that case, in that bracket, you will be able to understand. I will write the public. So the class access I will provide. So inside this, you will be access to specifier. The specifier you will provide. So I will first mention int x. So this is the what attribute I am going to provide here. I am second thing I am going to write int sum of. So this is the attribute I am providing here in case of the int variable. Fine. So first I have created the class, and inside that I have mentioned the object or the access I need to provide, that is the public. And in case of public, what kind of object that I need to create and what is the work attribute or variable I have provided work is there. So the code is provided like that. Fine. So the public keyword is an access specifier and of the class to accessible from the outside of the class. It will help me to understand, provide the outside of the class. Okay. And then in that case, inside the class, there are integer variables I have provided, that is the sum, and the string variable will be also provided here. Fine. So these are the few kind of things that I have mentioned. I need to provide the sum of the particular numbers that I will mention here. So I will write my class and my object. So object will be created. Okay. Let me give you. These are the few things I have provided here. So in case of writing the object, what we need to write, this is the method how you can create it. Yeah, my number is the attribute int variable and my class my object. So we are creating an object of my class. And then after that, I will write my object, my number, the value, the access attribute, and we will set the value for that attribute. Okay. So I have mentioned here what is the attribute for it. Now, let me run this. I hope you understand how to do it. That's all for today's class. Tomorrow we'll study about more features related to C++. Thank you so much.